In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aliexpress Coins at checkout. First things first, let's get started by ensuring that you are logged into your Aliexpress account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and easy to do. Simply click that Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you're all set to make the most of your shopping experience. Aliexpress Coins are a great way to redeem discounts on your purchases, helping you save money and maximize the value of what you buy. By wisely using these coins, you can effectively lower the overall cost of your items, making your budget stretch further. So here's what you need to do next. Head over to your account section and look for the area labeled Coins or My Coins. There, you'll be able to see your current coin balance. It's important to note that you can earn up to 40 coins daily just by checking in regularly. When you visit daily, you're essentially building up a nice little stash. To add these check-in coins to your balance, just click the Collect button and they'll automatically be added. Now, you might be wondering how to use these accumulated coins. They can be applied as discounts when shopping on AliExpress. So let's dive into how you can do just that. Suppose you're browsing around and find an item like, say, an iPhone case. Add it to your cart. Once you're ready to make the purchase, click on the Buy Now option to initiate the checkout process. You'll notice your payment methods displayed here, along with a section to enter promo codes if you happen to have any. Now, here's a crucial tip. Not every product is eligible for coin discounts. If you see no option to use coins at checkout, it likely means that the specific merchant does not accept them. But don't worry! You can easily go back to the search results and choose another product that does allow for coin redemption. It's often a matter of trial and error to find those eligible items. Back on the Aliexpress app, navigate again to the coin section to see how many you've collected over time. With consistent daily check-ins, you can amass quite a few coins. Once you've got a good amount collected, you can use them at the discount finder. As you shop for specific items and go through the purchasing process, select the option to use your coins, then click Continue. Finally, at checkout, make sure you apply those coins to get your discount. It's in the final steps of the process, and doing so can significantly reduce the total price. And there you have it, a simple way to make your Aliexpress shopping ventures even more rewarding. Happy shopping and enjoy those savings!